Time to upgrade the snowmobile skis? Let's find one together in today's What's the Difference? Today we're putting two tried and true options head to head. We've got the C&A Pro Razor RZ ski versus the Kimpex OEM Steel Ski. One built for precision and performance, while the other built for longevity and dependability. Let's break them down by design, ride feel, price point, and more. First, materials and design. The C&A Pro Razor RZ ski is built from ultra-high weight molecular plastic, a material chosen for its impact resistance, flexibility, and lightweight performance. It's got a centered single keel and a deep concave profile, which is engineered to deliver tight, predictable cornering and improved steering control, even in hard pack and icy conditions. The Kimpex Steel Ski? That's an OEM classic replacement made from black enamel-coated steel. It's a more rigid ski with a flatter profile, meaning it's less tuned for carving and more for straight line stability and cost-effective replacements. If you're restoring an older sled or need a reliable backup, this is the one that gets the job done. On to fitment options. The C&A Pro Razor RZ ski, 6 3/4 inches wide, 41.5 inches long. It's available in multiple colorways and designed with universal fitment in mind, using brand-specific mounting kits for Polaris, Ski-Doo, Arctic Cat, Yamaha, and more. It's compatible with a wide range of carbides and wear bars, so you can fine-tune your setup. Kimpex OEM Steel type ski is 37 inches long. Built for select Ski-Doo models, including the Formula, the Touring E, MXZ, and others. It uses standard OEM style wear rods, but you can find other part numbers that will fit other models as well. All right, let's talk price point. The C&A Pro Razor RZ is going to run you about $150 to $175 per ski, depending colorway and fitment setup, while the Kimpex Steel Ski is going to come in about $75 to $90 per ski, half the price of the C&A Pro. In conclusion, if you're a rider that's pushing performance, you need something that's super responsive and is going to eliminate darting in the front end, go with the C&A Pro Razor RZ ski. But if you're just looking for a simple OEM replacement ski or something to keep in your back pocket in case one of your skis breaks while you're on the trail, then get yourself the Kimpex Steel Ski. Either way, you can't go wrong. Both are perfect options for any snowmobile needs. And hey, you can get them both at DennisKirk.com right now. Go ahead, place that order today before 6 p.m. We'll get it out the door the same day so that you can get ready for snowmobile season.